Happy New Week, traders. Welcome to a brand new week in the global financial markets. This is David from EXCO Trader. Last week, we analyzed the CPI results for the dollar, and guess what? I was able to take home $572. All right, the news came out, and we saw the spike on gold currency, most especially. So last week for me was a very interesting week, but this week is also another interesting one. On the fundamental analysis, we are seeing something interesting. Trump will be speaking on Wednesday. All right, on Wednesday he will be speaking, and that will also impact the market as well. So but other currencies like the Canadian dollar, from today 2:30 p.m. we're going to be having news on the Canadian dollar. CPI, we're also going to be having GBP, Bank of England Governor Bills will be speaking to as well. And on Thursday too, we're going to be seeing unemployment rate on AUD. And 2:30 we're going to be having news on final GDP for the quarter. And on Friday too, we're also going to be having tentative news on the Japanese yen. 8, we're going to be having GDP report, euro, and also the USD as well. So you see, this week is a lot of high impact news, which will also be of a great interest to catch in on the opportunities on these currencies. All right, so first on my watch list, I'm going to be looking at gold from the 1 hour time frame. So over the weekend into the Asian session, we saw this gap theory. All right, remember guys, last week we were trading within the 4572 and 4627, if you remember, and market did a break out of structure from that zone to form a new high, which our target was taking out in profit, which was early hours of this morning. All right, so I will be trading this right back into the zone of 4572. I should see a little bit of reversal. If not back to 4572, I should see 4627 back before the end of today. This is on the 1 hour time frame on gold. All right, so other currencies like CAD, JPY2 as well. This week we're going to be projecting a sell on CAD, JPY. All right, this is actually a very good setup for me on the daily time frame, and I'll be looking forward to taking advantage of this position. USD, JPY2 as well is still within the channel from the H4 time frame. Market is still consolidating, and I'll be waiting for an opportunity trade on this later this week. All right, GBP, JPY from the H4 time frame, the setup is gradually forming for me to go in on this position. You've seen the channel, and we've already seen a break out of structure. So once I get a continuation pattern and price break, moving below this low here, all right, then I will make a decision whether this would finally give us that break to the downside. All right, that price point is at 210.465. all right, so GBP USD as well, we also saw a break out of an ascending channel from the daily time frame, but fingers crossed, we're going to be seeing later today what this price would do before we take our decision on this particular trade. All right, so BTC as well, we saw what BTC did over the weekend too as well. We're expecting price to continue to the upside, but guess what? I'm seeing something very interesting on BTC, right? On BTC from the H4 time frame. All right, I'm going to be using my channel. All right, I'm going to be using my channel. So what I will be expecting is, if I see a break below this, then from the higher time frame we will see a continuation of price to the downside, at least this week to 78k price level area. So this is what I have for us, guys. And on our Telegram group as well, signals have been posted, and there's been a lot of testimonies given from our clients, and you can see last week gold setup was given, and we were able to achieve